Hello, students. Hello, students. Welcome to Bridge Academy Grade 9 Biology Unit 3 Tutorials Lesson 15, Animal and Plant Cells Introduction. Plants and animals are made up of cells. Both plant and animal cells have similar parts, but they also have differences. Understanding the structure and function of these cells helps us learn how plants and animals work. This lesson will focus on the structures of plant and animal cells and their differences. Animal and plant cells share some common structures. Both have a cell membrane. The cell membrane controls what enters and leaves the cell. They also have a nucleus. The nucleus controls the cell's activities and contains genetic material. Cytoplasm is another shared feature. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance where chemical reactions happen. Both cells contain organelles like mitochondria. Mitochondria produce energy for the cell. The Golgi apparatus is also present in both cells. It packages and distributes materials inside the cell. Plant cells have unique structures that animal cells do not have. One is the cell wall. The cell wall is a rigid layer outside the cell membrane. It gives plant cells support and shape. Another unique structure is the chloroplast. Chloroplasts are found in green parts of plants, like leaves. They contain chlorophyll, which helps plants make food through photosynthesis. Plant cells also have large permanent vacuoles. The vacuole is a fluid-filled sac surrounded by a membrane. It contains a solution of pigments, enzymes, sugars, minerals, and waste products. Vacuoles help regulate water flow in and out of the cell. This process is called osmosis. Animal cells have a structure that plant cells lack. This is the centriole. Centrioles help animal cells divide during reproduction. Animal cells do not have a cell wall, chloroplasts, or large vacuoles. Because of this, animal cells are usually smaller than plant cells. Plant cells are often larger and easier to see under a light microscope. The differences in structure lead to differences in function. The cell wall in plant cells provides strength. This allows plants to stand upright. Chloroplasts enable plants to make their own food using sunlight. This is why plants are green and can grow without eating food like animals do. Large vacuoles in plant cells store water and nutrients. They also help maintain the cell shape. In animal cells, centrioles play a role in cell division. This is important for growth and repair in animals. Animal cells rely on food from outside sources for energy since they lack chloroplasts. Summary: animal and plant cells have some structures in common, like the cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, mitochondria, and Golgi apparatus. However, they also have differences. Plant cells have a cell wall, chloroplasts, and large vacuoles, which animal cells do not have. Animal cells have centrioles, which are absent in plant cells. These structural differences affect their functions. The cell wall gives plants support, chloroplasts allow plants to make food, and vacuoles regulate water in plant cells. Centrioles in animal cells help with cell division. Understanding these differences helps us know how plants and animals function differently. Question 1. What are three structures found in both animal and plant cells? Answer: three structures found in both animal and plant cells are the cell membrane, nucleus, and cytoplasm. The cell membrane controls what enters and leaves the cell. The nucleus controls cell activities, and the cytoplasm is where chemical reactions happen. Question 2. Name the structures that are unique to plant cells and not found in animal cells. Answer: two structures unique to plant cells are the cell wall and chloroplasts. The cell wall provides support and shape, while chloroplasts help plants make food through photosynthesis. Question 3. What is the function of the cell wall in plant cells? Answer: the cell wall in plant cells provides strength and support. It helps the plant stand upright and maintain its shape. Question 4. How do chloroplasts help plant cells, and where are they usually found? Answer. Chloroplasts help plant cells make food through photosynthesis using chlorophyll. They are usually found in the green parts of plants, mainly in the leaves. Question 5. Why are centrioles important in animal cells, and why don't plant cells have them? Answer. Centrioles are important in animal cells because they help with cell division during reproduction, aiding in growth and repair. Plant cells do not have centrioles because they use other methods for cell division and rely on their rigid cell walls for structure. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.